Everything ends. Not just you. Not just everyone you have ever loved. Not just this planet, or this star, or even this galaxy. Everything. Every star in the sky, every galaxy in the dark. Light itself. The universe is dying, slowly, quietly, and it has been from the very moment it began. This is the story of how it all ends, from the death of our own sun to the final event in the history of time itself. And by the end of it, there will be nothing left at all. Right now, we are living in the universe's brief, brilliant youth. Astronomers call it the age of stars. Trillions of suns burning across the dark. It feels eternal. It is not. It is a candle, and it is already half burned down. In about 5 billion years, our own sun runs out of fuel. It swells into a red giant, vast enough to swallow Mercury, then Venus, and then the scorched remains of the Earth. The oceans will have boiled away long before. The sky itself turns to fire. Then it collapses into a white dwarf, an ember the size of a planet, left to cool in the silence. And one day, every single star you can see tonight will die in almost exactly the same way. For a while, new stars keep being born to replace them. But the gas that builds them is running out. In roughly 100 trillion years, the last star is born. The smallest and coldest of them, the red dwarfs, hold on the longest, glowing faintly for trillions of years more. And then, the very last one flickers and goes out. For the first time in the history of the universe, the sky is truly, completely black. What is left behind is a graveyard. White dwarfs gone cold and dark, the husks of dead stars. Worlds drifting frozen, with no sun left to circle. The galaxies still turn, but now they turn in total darkness. And even this does not last. Across spans of time the mind cannot hold, matter itself may begin to come apart. The protons inside every atom slowly decaying into nothing. The dead stars dissolve, the graveyard empties. Until at last, only one kind of thing remains. Black holes. The final titans of the cosmos. Having devoured everything that ever fell toward them, they reign over an empty, lightless universe for a span of time so vast it can barely be written down. Not millions of years, not billions. A 1 followed by 40 zeros. But not even they are forever. Black holes leak. Atom by atom, across eternities, they bleed away into the dark, a process so unbelievably slow that it makes everything that came before it look like a single instant. The largest take the longest. A 1 followed by 100 zeros. The largest meaningful number in the entire story of the universe. And then, somewhere out in that endless dark, the very last black hole finishes evaporating. A final, faint flash of light. And that flash is the last thing that will ever happen. Anywhere, ever again. After it, there is nothing. No stars, no matter, no light, no structure of any kind. Only a thin, cold mist of stray particles drifting apart forever through a space that never stops expanding. The temperature settles to a hair above absolute zero. Everywhere the same, forever. Scientists call it the heat death, the state this universe has been quietly falling toward since its very first second. There is no more change. And without change, time itself stops meaning anything at all. An eternity passes, and nothing in it ever happens again. This is how the universe ends. Not with fire, with silence. And it is the silence that lasts the longest, by far. Everything that ever existed, every star, every world, every voice that ever called out into the dark, was a brief flicker of warmth and light at the very beginning of an eternity of cold. Including all of this, including you. Which may mean that the light we have right now, faint and brief as it is against all the darkness to come, is the rarest and most precious thing this universe will ever make. Follow Hollow Signal for more transmissions from the edge of everything.